Alright, so we are landing at Chicago O'Hare International Airport at runway 28 right in this Boeing 737. After landing, I'll be following the airport chart to follow the taxiway to reach the assigned gate. There will be a sign after we land at O'Hare by contacting the ATC tower. Okay, so let's see how we progress. Gear down, flap set. This is not a perfect landing configuration. This is my just reckless landing at different airports in this game.
Boeing India Papa Juliet 90210. Follow the aircraft on final. Wind calm. Clear to land runway 28 right.
Clear to land runway 28 right. India Papa Juliet 90210.
Boeing India Papa Juliet 90210. Did you copy? Clear to land runway 28 right. Boeing India Papa Juliet 90210.
Approaching minimums. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Beautiful landing. Not excellent, but much better than my previous landing.
Boeing India Papa Juliet 90210. Turn next taxiway.
Turn next taxiway.
Boeing India Papa Juliet 90210. Contact ground on 128.975. Going to 128.975. Boeing India Papa Juliet 90210.
Okay, I'll stop here and contact the ground for gate information and taxiway information, and then I'll open up my chart to match with to find the taxiway and to reach the gate.
Ground, Boeing India Papa Juliet 90210. Request taxi to the gate. Boeing India Papa Juliet 90210. Taxi to gate Charlie 2. via taxiway November Kilo Tree, Kilo Bravo Alpha 8 Alpha.
I'll open chart for south that have information for runway 28 right.
Boeing India Papa Juliet, Niner 210. Did you hear my last transmission? Taxiing to gate Charlie 2 using taxiway November Kilo Tree, Kilo Bravo Alpha 8 Alpha. Boeing India Papa Juliet Niner 210.
So we have assigned gate Charlie 2 via taxiway November Kilo 3 Kilo Bravo Alpha 8 Alpha. So we will go through this chart to find out where we are exactly and how to follow this taxiway to the gate Charlie 2. So as you see in the chart, that's runway 28 right. And that's runway 28 right where my mouse is, and this is where we are actually N1 on November. We are right now on taxiway November. We took the exit from the runway and we are on November 1. So we will follow from here. We have to look for the Kilo 3 and then Kilo Bravo Alpha 8. You see the Alpha 8 we can see right above where my mouse is, but I'm looking for the taxiway Kilo 3. This is Alpha 8 where we are supposed to go. Let's move. And that's the next taxiway is Bravo, and then you have Alpha. Not all these actually chart is matching with this ATC information in this game for this aircraft, and I will see how to get the perfect ATC chart that matches with this ATC information. You see now we are approaching Kilo 3. So this is Kilo 3 we are turning to. And this is, I think we are turning Bravo taxiway. I'll just take it straight to Alpha from here. I'll stop and see which one is right there. Somehow I don't understand this numbers. I mean the marking. So it looks like we are turning somewhere here. See, we are at Lima Tango. Now let's see where we're going. So Alpha 10, we are approaching Alpha 10, and Alpha 9 should be 9 and 8 should be little bit backward. So that's Alpha 11. I'm sure we have to turn around to go to Alpha 8. So let me find out. This is my practicing for finding taxiways in the next flight. I'll follow much better. I expect to follow much better. So we are making a U-turn. Going back to see Alpha. So we turn from Alpha 11. Now we are at Alpha 10. You see on the left side the marking. We are on taxiway Alpha and Alpha 10. But we're not gonna turn here. We'll go straight to look for Alpha 8. And this one is coming up is Alpha 9 that I can see. This is Alpha 9. And after this it should be Alpha 8. So Alpha 9 is not going towards right, it's going only towards left, and Alpha 8 is going to the right. Remember, we have to be Gate Charlie too. Let's see. I hope we did not miss. It looks like to me it should be Alpha 8. Yes, you see, this is Alpha 8. And I'm gonna turn. We are turning Alpha 8. Now we have to look for the Charlie 2. Let's see. So this is Charlie 1 we see on the ground, right? And the next one looks like to me Charlie 3, not Charlie 2. So it means odd numbers are here. So it must be on the other side. I'm gonna make a U-turn to get back to Charlie 1 to see if everything is clear. So Charlie 1, Charlie 3. I think where those people are standing, that is they are waiting for this flight. Charlie 2. Let's move. Let's double check everything. So this is how odd numbers are. Like on the one side is odd number, Charlie 1, Charlie 3, Charlie 5, maybe 7, like this. I'm just looking at it anywhere. Are these green ones are the gate numbers on the map? Or is something else? So this is Charlie 5. We have confirmed the odd numbers, and the back there should be even numbers, 2, 4, 6, 8, like this. So let's go back there. I should have followed the landing checklist, which I did not. Flaps should be up, trim should be set, and other things, landing lights and everything, taxi lights. I will do it in next flight. Now I see all those people were at Charlie too. Yep, I can see this Charlie too. This is Charlie too. Let me go inside the cockpit. Let's line up with this line, yellow line, and the guy is there to guide you. Because of the lag a little bit in the system, it does not follow exactly, but much better for understanding. And I'm gonna go outside and see the lines are perfectly lined up. I try to park from here, from this view. See? A little bit more. Okay, stop. Let's shut down engine here. Thanks for watching. See you next time, the next flight.